Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali. This is the new video of chat app series. So in the previous video we have designed over comment part of our post, and also we have added our first comment to our Firebase database. So now in this video we will read over all comments of every post from the Firebase database. We will use Firebase UI Recycler view to fetch all the comments from the Firebase database and assign to every post. So first of all we will create our single view comment. So go to layout and right click here, new layout resource file, and here we can say single view comment and click OK. Okay, here we will add our circle image view. So go to text and press Alt Control L, and here we will add our circle image view. So that will be 35 dp, and also width will be 35 dp. Okay, now give the ID. So here we will add the ID profile image view, that will be for comment. Okay, now add the source. Now here we will add profile. So close it and go to our design part and select this one and add the constraint from the left and add a margin from left 8 dp, and add the constraint from the top and add a margin from top 8 dp. Okay, now we will add our text view for username. So drag here text view, add the constraint from the top to top of the image view and add the constraint from left. Now right, now change it into match parent and add a margin from left 8 dp and also from right 8 dp. Okay, now change the id into username comment. Okay, now change the text color. So type here text color, this will be color accent. Okay, now finally change the username text. Okay, now we will add another text view, that for comment section. So add the constraint and change it into match parent and also add a margin from right and left 8 dp. I'm not going to add from left because I have added the constraint from left to right, sorry, left to left of text view. Okay, now add the margin from, sorry, add the constraint from top is 4 dp. Okay, now change the id. So here we can say comment text view. Okay, now change the text, this is comment. Okay, now change the text size, this will be 12 sp. Okay, now go to text and change over height into wrap content, and now add the constraint from the bottom of this text view and select a margin from bottom 4 dp. Okay, our layout is ready. So now we will create our model class. So right click on this utils, new, and select java class. So here we can say more comment, and here we will create variables. So let me open our Firebase database. Here is our comment. We have three variables: comment, profile, image, username. So make sure you have same spelling. So private string username and profile image URL, and third one is our comment. Okay, let me check the spelling. Comment, profile, image, URL, username. Okay, now press Alt insert to make the constructor. Select all field, hit the enter. Now again Alt insert, make constructor. Now this one empty constructor, this is for Firebase database. Okay, now again select Alt Insert to select the getters and setters. Select all the field and hit the enter. Okay, now our model class is ready. So now we will go to our main activity and inside our load post, here we will create the method. Yeah, here we will create load comments. Here we need to pass the post key. So here we will add post key. Okay, now we will create this method inside this activity, main activity. Now we need to create Firebase recycler view. So now here we will create Firebase recycler option, and this one is here we need to pass comment, and this one is comment option. Okay, now Firebase recycler adapter, and first parameter is our comment, that is our class, and second parameter is over my view holder. So here we can say comment view holder. Okay, now call it comment adapter. Okay, now create this class, press Alt Enter to create the class. Okay, now here we need to extend with view holder. Okay, now press Alt Enter to create constructor matching super. Okay, now go back to main activity, and here we will initialize all these inside our created method that we have created here. Okay, now comment option equal to new Firebase recycler option, and here we need to add builder class, and here we need to pass comment and dot set query. So here we need to pass two parameters. So first one is over reference, so I will add comment reference dot child. So here we need to pass the post key. I have added here post key because we have to fetch the data from our post key. As you can see here, here is comment reference, and under this comment reference we have post key. That's why I am adding here. So now here I will add the second parameter, that is comment dot class. So now finally we will call the method build. So here we can say build. Okay, now we need to initialize our adapter. So comment adapter equal to new Firebase comment adapter. And here we need to pass option. Sorry, it's not option, it's comment option. Okay, now go to our my view holder. Here we need to access our Firebase to assign the data. So if I open single view layout for post, here you can see here is our recycler view comments. So we need to initialize it inside our my view holder. So here we will create the recycler view. So public, make sure you have select the public static recycler view, and here we can say recycler view. So now initialize it. This will be a little tricky, so no need to worry. Recycler view and recycler view comment. Okay, now go to our comment view holder, and here we have to initialize our data. So for this we need to initialize our view holder. So here is comment view holder. So here we need to inflate our layout. So here we will create the view equal to new layout inflator dot from, and here we need to pass parent dot get context dot inflate r dot layout dot single view comment, and second parameter is parent, and third parameter is boolean tag, so it will be false. So now here we need to access our new my view holder. It's not my view holder, it's comment view holder. So here we will simply pass this view. That's it. Now inside this comment view holder we will access the data from our single view comments. Okay, first one is over circle image view. So here we will create circle image view, Okay, I have initialized it. So now I will access the data from the Firebase. Now finally we will initialize it. So go to main activity again, and here we will initialize over recycler view. Here we will create view holder, my view holder dot recycler view dot set layout manager, and here we can pass new linear layout manager, and here we simply pass the context. So here we will pass main activity dot this, and now we will assign the data. So here we will use Picasso dot get and load. Here we need to pass the URL. So model dot get profile image dot into, and here we pass holder dot profile image. Okay, now holder dot username dot set text model dot get username, and now again holder dot comment dot set text, and here we need to pass model dot get comment. Okay, now here we need to comment adapter dot start listening, and finally we will initial assign this adapter to our recycler view. So my view holder dot recycler view dot set adapter, and pass this command adapter. Okay, now run the application and let's see is there any problem. Okay, here you can see Romy and our first comment. So let's scroll down and add another comment. Here we can add second comment, and let's click on this send button, and let's see. Here you can see our comment is added, and also it will showing on this recycler view. Okay, now here you can see here I have login with another account. So now we will add another comment. So I will add hi and click on. Here you can see next comment is send it. So if I add new comment, it will not add third one, it will replace the old one, as I explained in the previous video. Okay, so now let's test the like. So if I click on like, here you can see now this time 2 likes. Here you can see everything working fine. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. So see you on next video. Take care. Bye.